Hi everyone. This is my post for the practical importance of culture, which basically is just to reflect on chapter 1 of the book, which kind of asks the questions: why study culture? Was there anything interesting or surprising in the text? Did you learn anything? Did you confirm anything? So to start off, I kind of wanted to answer the question, why study culture? And there's definitely a variety of reasons that we can study it. I mean, simply to understand other people's perspectives and their way of life. But one thing that I really took note of was that it's important to take other people's cultures into consideration, because think about it: if you're placed in someone else's culture, as if someone was placed in our culture, you don't want to judge them, because say you're traveling or working in another country, in another culture, it can be very scary, it can be very frustrating, because things could be happening that you don't really understand. And so it would be really good if everyone kind of realized that, yeah, everyone's different, not everyone has the same culture and values. So kind of to support and have understanding from people in these different cultures would make just the experiences more enjoyable for everyone. Sorry, I think my camera froze. But anyways, so another thing I found interesting from the reading was it said that cross-cultural perspective contributes to our understanding of human development, and more specifically, kind of how do our own individual cultural beliefs and values affect our daily actions and lifestyles. And I just think that's something to really think about, and I'm interested moving forward in this class to see really how all of these different things come together and affect one another. And then in the book it had talked about the ecological systems model with Bronfenbrenner, which I've learned about in previous classes. And I thought it was very interesting that it brought this up in this context, and kind of described how it displays how it's possible for our lives to run smoothly when all aspects see eye to eye or are in harmony. And specifically, it's freezing again, but specifically how our culture, our actions in our culture and interactions within our environment all kind of lead to our development in who we become. So I thought that was very interesting that was included in there. And then kind of to wrap this post up, it's freezing again. To wrap this post up, I just kind of wanted to touch on a couple other things just throughout the chapter, some of the important terms and concepts, just generally. The book had mentioned ethnocentrism, the developmental niche, individualism versus collectivism, and I liked how it used all of these concepts and ideas and theories that we'll look at in the future, just to introduce how there's a variety of perspectives that exist across many different cultures, and by focusing in on these specific different ideas and theories, that we'll be able to really learn about different cultures and different perspectives. Thank you.